Mastering preventive maintenance techniques. Only one person can save your company from crippling downtime and lost profits. Who within an organization is responsible for ensuring that the primary goals of preventive maintenance, such as reducing equipment downtime, improving production efficiency, and decreasing maintenance costs, are properly aligned with the organization's overall objectives of operational excellence, improved customer satisfaction, and increased profitability? As I delved into the world of preventive maintenance techniques, I couldn't help but think of a conversation I had with a maintenance manager at a manufacturing plant. He was frustrated because, despite his best efforts, equipment failures were still causing significant production downtime. I asked him to walk me through his preventive maintenance strategy, and what I discovered was a disconnected approach that was more reactive than proactive. His team was focused on performing routine maintenance tasks, such as oil changes and filter replacements, without considering the broader implications of their actions. They were doing tasks because they had always done them, not because they understood how they contributed to the organization's overall objectives. This lack of context was leading to inefficient resource allocation and, ultimately, equipment failures. I realized that the key to achieving operational excellence through preventive maintenance is to connect the maintenance strategy to the organization's overall goals. This requires a deeper understanding of the context in which the maintenance team operates. Take, for example, a company that prioritizes customer satisfaction above all else. In this case, the maintenance team should focus on minimizing equipment downtime, as it directly impacts production and, subsequently, delivery times. By understanding the organization's primary objective, the maintenance team can tailor their preventive maintenance strategy to support that goal. In another instance, I worked with a company that was struggling to reduce maintenance costs. After analyzing their maintenance strategy, I discovered that they were performing unnecessary repairs and replacements. By streamlining their maintenance process and focusing on critical equipment, they were able to reduce costs while still maintaining equipment reliability. So, how can organizations ensure that their preventive maintenance strategy is aligned with their overall objectives? Here are some actionable steps. 1. Identify the organization's primary objectives. This may seem obvious, but it's essential to understand what drives the organization's success. Is it customer satisfaction, profitability, or something else? 2. Analyze the current maintenance strategy, evaluate the current maintenance process, and identify areas of inefficiency. This may involve analyzing maintenance schedules, resource allocation, and equipment performance data. 3. Develop a connected maintenance strategy. Based on the organization's objectives and the analysis of the current maintenance strategy, develop a preventive maintenance plan that supports those goals. This may involve shifting resources, adjusting maintenance schedules, or implementing new technologies. 4. Continuously monitor and evaluate. Regularly review equipment performance data and maintenance effectiveness to ensure that the preventive maintenance strategy is achieving its intended goals. Make adjustments as needed to maintain alignment with the organization's objectives. Throughout this process, I've come to realize that achieving operational excellence through preventive maintenance requires a deep understanding of the organization's context and objectives. It's not just about performing maintenance tasks, it's about understanding how those tasks contribute to the organization's success. As I worked with these companies, I felt a sense of excitement and empowerment. By connecting the maintenance strategy to the organization's overall goals, we were able to drive real change and improve operational efficiency. It's a powerful reminder that, in the world of preventive maintenance, understanding context is key to achieving excellence. In the pursuit of operational excellence, it is essential to identify the key stakeholders responsible for ensuring that the primary goals of preventive maintenance are aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The primary goals of preventive maintenance, such as reducing equipment downtime, improving production efficiency, and decreasing maintenance costs, are critical to achieving operational excellence, improved customer satisfaction, and increased profitability. First and foremost, the maintenance manager plays a vital role in ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is properly aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The maintenance manager is responsible for developing, implementing, and managing the preventive maintenance program, which includes scheduling maintenance activities, allocating resources, and tracking maintenance performance metrics. The maintenance manager must work closely with the operations manager to ensure that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with production schedules and goals, ensuring minimal disruption to production and optimal equipment performance. The operations manager is another key stakeholder responsible for ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The operations manager is responsible for overseeing the day-to-day operations of the facility and ensuring that production goals and targets are met. The operations manager must work closely with the maintenance manager to ensure that the preventive maintenance program is integrated into production schedules and that any maintenance activities do not disrupt production. The reliability engineer is also a critical stakeholder in ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The reliability engineer is responsible for analyzing equipment performance data, identifying areas for improvement, and developing recommendations for improving equipment reliability and maintenance strategies. The reliability engineer must work closely with the maintenance manager and operations manager to ensure that the preventive maintenance program is based on sound reliability principles and is aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The quality manager also plays an important role in ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The quality manager is responsible for ensuring that the organization's products or services meet customer requirements and industry standards. The quality manager must work closely with the maintenance manager, operations manager, and reliability engineer to ensure that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with quality objectives and that any maintenance activities do not compromise product quality. In addition to these stakeholders, the production supervisor and maintenance technicians also play important roles in ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is properly aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The production supervisor is responsible for overseeing the production process and ensuring that production goals and targets are met. The production supervisor must work closely with the maintenance technicians to ensure that any maintenance activities are completed efficiently and effectively, and that production is not disrupted. The maintenance technicians are responsible for performing maintenance activities, including routine inspections, repairs, and replacements. They must work closely with the production supervisor and other stakeholders to ensure that maintenance activities are completed efficiently and effectively, and that production is not disrupted. Finally, the organization's leadership team, including the CEO, CFO, and COO, are ultimately responsible for ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with the organization's overall objectives. The leadership team must provide the necessary resources, support, and vision to ensure that the preventive maintenance program is properly implemented and sustained. They must also ensure that the organization's overall objectives are clearly communicated to all stakeholders, and that the preventive maintenance program is aligned with these objectives. In conclusion, ensuring that the primary goals of preventive maintenance are aligned with the organization's overall objectives requires a collaborative effort from multiple stakeholders, including the maintenance manager, operations manager, reliability engineer, quality manager, production supervisor, maintenance technicians, and the leadership team. Each of these stakeholders plays a critical role in ensuring that the preventive maintenance program is properly implemented and sustained, and that the organization achieves operational excellence, improved customer satisfaction, and increased profitability.